Hello everyone. Today we will see the topic paneer. Paneer is a heat acid coagulated milk product obtained by coagulating standardized milk with permitted acid at specified temperature. About 5% of milk produced in India is converted into paneer, and we have FSI standards like total plate count should be not more than 5 lakh. Coliform count should be not more than 90 per gram. E. coli less than 10 per gram. Salmonella absent in 1 gram. Staphylococcus aureus not more than 100 per gram. Eastern mold count not more than 250 per gram. And Listeria monocytogenes should be absent in 1 gram. Basic standards for paneer is moisture should be maximum up to 60%. Milk fat on the dry matter basis minimum 50%. Titrable acidity percentage lactic acid maximum कितना होना चाहिए 0.5. Total plate count should be not more than 50,000 per gram. Coliform count should be maximum up to 90 per gram, and eastern mold should be maximum up to 250 per gram. So now we see the production. First, by the buffalo milk. Buffalo milk is standardized to 4.5% fat and 8.5% SNF, and the ratio should be 1:1.65. It is very important. Milk is heated to 90 degrees Celsius without holding, and the milk is cooled to 70 degrees Celsius, and slowly adding the 1% citric acid at 70 degrees Celsius, and we do the constant stirring till the whey separation, and pH should be about 5.3 to 5.35. Now allow for 5 minutes to settle down the drain and drain the whey. Press on the top, and the pressure should be 0.5 to 1 kg per centimeter square. And now the block should be chilled in the pasteurized water for 2 to 3 hours, and now this is packed in polyethylene bags, and it should be stored at 5 to 10 degrees Celsius. And now if we are wanted to prepare the paneer from the cow milk, so we know it is if we produce the paneer from the cow milk, it will be of inferior quality, and the coagulum should be so weak, and the soft body, and the body produced should be fragile, and low mineral contents like calcium and phosphorus. Like in buffalo milk we have high level of calcium, phosphorus, and casein and minerals, so we will not get that in cow milk. So if we are now exclusively we are wanted to make the paneer from cow milk, so we should have to add the calcium chloride up to 0.08 to 0.1% for compact and sliceable. So if we add CaCl2 calcium chloride at the rate of 0.08 to 0.1%, so the body should be compact and sliceable. And also the high temperature of coagulation like 85 degrees Celsius to 90 degrees Celsius with coagulation of milk at 5.2 pH less than the required in buffalo milk, so this will be of good quality, but the yield should be decreased. Now we will see the type of strength of coagulant. Now citric acid is generally used. Normally 1.8 to 2 kg of citric acid is required for coagulating 1000 liter of milk. If high acid imparts acidic flavor, hardness, or more solid loss, so we should not have to use the high acid. Now whey cultured with lactobacillus acidophilus at the rate of 2% incubated overnight and 37 degrees Celsius at 37 degrees Celsius used as substitute for citric acid. So the optimum temperature of coagulation should be 76 degrees Celsius. Now if we are doing the coagulation at different pH, like if on 5.4 pH, the body should be flat, soft, and weak body, which we are not supposed to. And if we are doing the coagulation at 5.1 pH, the body should be hard, which is required for the production of paneer. So now we see the advancement in the paneer manufacturing. industrial advancements, like use of UF ultrafiltration. What it does, lactose, water and some mineral are removed as permeate, so the yield should be increased by 25%. It is very crucial and very important to increase the yield of paneer. Long life, yeah, milk is concentrated by UF to total solid up to 30%, acidified using GDL. It is another type of you can say coagulant which is used for paneer manufacturing. Glucano delta lactone. Packing in metallized polyester pouches. Shelf life, like 110 days at 25 degrees Celsius, 80 days at 35 degrees Celsius, 47 days at 45 degrees Celsius. You should have to learn that. Packaging, polyethylene pouches, retort pouches, cryovac films, co-extruded laminates. Also we can do the vacuum packaging to increase the shelf life up to 30 days at 6 degrees Celsius. Also we can do the packaging in laminates like EVA, PVDC under vacuum heated 90 degrees Celsius for 1 minute, shelf life up to 90 days under refrigeration. The paneer packed in tins along with the water and brine is sterilized in an autoclave at 15 psi for 15 minutes, last for 4 months. We can pack in tins like at 15 psi for 15 minutes, and it can last for 4 months. We can also place in under a frozen condition like minus 18 degrees Celsius, and it will last up to 1 year, so it's very good. Also dipping in a brine solution of 5% will be last up to 22 days at 8 to 10 degrees Celsius. Also we can do the dipping of paneer in benzoic acid of 1200 ppm to increase the shelf life up to 40 days at refrigeration temperature, and to increase up to 20 days at 37 degrees Celsius. Also we can add the sorbic acid to the milk up to 0.15% and wrapping in a paneer in a sorbic acid coated wax paper, so it will also increase the shelf up to 36 days at room temperature. So thank you everyone.